Hi everyone, Letty here, Party Planner Papery. I have another Crafty haul from Echo Park. They had their 12 days of Christmas. I purchased on day 3 the 6x6 paper pads. Let me show you what I got. Welcome back everyone. So Echo Park was having, I think it was like a 12 days of Christmas sale at the beginning part of December. And at one point they had their 6x6 and mega pads on sale for $2 for the 6x6 and $3 for the megas. A regular 6x6 comes with 24 sheets and a mega pad comes with 48 sheets. Okay, so for $2 and $3, that is a fantastic deal, especially if you want to bulk up your stash or just start a stash. So the two brands you typically will buy at Echo Park are Echo Park and also Cartabella, okay? And I love both of them. And so I did take advantage of the sale. I went ahead and even though I don't need any paper, I went ahead and I got some more because I wanted to have some of these different patterns or these collections for 2026 because I want to really do just a ton of crafting next year, even more so than what I did this year. And so I have my receipt here. And I kind of did a little bit of like, you know, fuzzy math here, but I purchased 6 of the regular size pads. I purchased 13 of the megas, again, $2, $3, which was 19 pads total. I ended up paying $55.16 total, which kind of averages out to about $2.90 per pad. But if I kind of break it down, I'm a math girl. So if I break it down to every 24 sheets, which is what a regular pad is, basically breaks down to about $1.74 per 24 sheet pad, which I feel is, again, a fantastic deal. So I don't think they have this available anymore, but they do have regular warehouse sales and mystery boxes and all kinds of other deals that you can kind of jump in on pretty regularly. Sign up for their newsletters or whatever, their text messages, and you can definitely, you know, get notified when they do have that. So here is my receipt. I'm going to put it aside. Let's go ahead and see what I picked up. There were a ton of collections that I had not had in my stash before. There were a couple of repeaters or a couple of like additional things that I really, really liked that I wanted to have extra of for whenever I do, you know, smash that part of the collection. But these were the 48 sheet mega pads. And then this was the little stack of the 24 count regular pads that I picked up. Let me show you, let me show you the regulars real quick, and then we will take a look at the megas. So again, these are going to have 24 sheets. This first one I have is a vintage Christmas 6x6. This one's from Cartabella. I already have this one in my stash, and I think I picked up the 12x12 set, but I just thought it's absolutely stunning. I love the music. Look at the gorgeous, gorgeous images. Like, oh my goodness. It's so, so pretty. So pretty. It's got a little bit of like photoreal or is kind of mixed in with some sort of like additional images, but I think it's just absolutely stunning. So here are the B-sides. Look, they have the music paper. Super, super pretty. Super pretty. So this is definitely going to be a collection that I smash in 2026. So I have that one. Now, I had picked up and smashed a 6x6 of this same collection. This one's My Best Life a while back. I did have a few stickers left over and I think like a couple of little scraps. And so I figured I would pick up another pad because I enjoyed it so, so much. And I would go ahead and use it again next year. I just thought it was so, so pretty, so fun. I love the cowgirl. I love all the florals. I just absolutely love it. I thought it was so, so fun. Look at that, the little cups. Pictures, tons and tons of really cute stuff. And let's look at the backs. I like the B-sides too, though. They're super cute. Really, really, really pretty. And then it repeats again. So 24 sheets on that one. Again, My Best Life. And that one was by Echo Park. And then this is one I did not have in my stash. I don't even know when it came out. It says 2024. And so this one's called Here Comes Spring. It is a Cartabella, which of course it definitely looks more Cartabella than Echo Park, but 24 sheets. Now, the one thing about the Cartabella 6x6s is that, look how gorgeous that is that the pattern paper or the actual paper itself is kind of the same as the Echo Park as far as the thickness and the texture. The 12x12s is the one that you definitely want to check out because it's like super luscious and thick, and it's just, it has like almost like an embossed kind of feel to it too. It's really, really pretty, but these are just super, super stunning. Let's look at the back now. So they've got some pretty good B-sides as well. Some neutrals. that I think would work really well. And it repeats. And so that one's called Here Comes Spring by Cartabella. That one's a cute one too. And then here's one, and I feel like the designer is maybe Tracy Reed. It looks like something that Tracy has released or would release. This is telling our story. I like Tracy's style. So this is 24 sheets. She's like the designer. I think this is her stuff. I think this is hers. This very much looks like a Tracy Reed, you know, collection. And I believe that's her name, but I think it's pretty. I love the pop of the black on this. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. So pretty, and it repeats. And then here is the back. So these sales, the like days of Christmas sales, it was a fantastic time to stock up there. I think they were still having some sales, or there might still be some items available, but I think they did sell out of these little, you know, 6x6 pads. This one looks super fun. This one's called Blast Off by Echo Park, of course, 24 sheets. And I think at one point, I think they had the mega pad and I did not see it available. I think this is my favorite sheet of the entire pad. Look how cute that is. So fun. And look at these green stars. Oh my goodness. So this one is such a fun one. I have one nephew, but I also have like some baby boy cousins. But I think this is just absolutely stunning. And then it repeats again. Let's look at the back. Look at that. That is so fun. Oops. Sorry, I went too fast. I'll go slower on the second round. There it goes. I think it's just super stunning, super stunning. So this one's called Blast Off by Echo Park. And then the last one of the 24 count, like regular 6x6 sizes is My Little Boy. I did pick up some additional kid type pattern prints this time around. I just kind of really wanted to make sure I had some different varieties of different types of papers. So, and I did want some more like non-holiday kind of prints just to kind of mix and match. Look how fun that is. Just to kind of mix and match. I love that these little 6x6s now come with cut aparts and like bigger size cut aparts in their pads. At one point, if you're an OG, you'll probably know that these little paper pads used to come with like little bitty itty tiny like cut aparts, and you really couldn't do very much with them. But this one's My Little Boy, Echo Park. Okay, so that's the first kind of set. Now I did pick up, like I said, 13 of these mega pads. I had 2 pads that I liked so much that I went ahead and picked up double. Plus, I was trying to get, because I was trying to get to $50 because they had a deal where if you spend $50, you would get free shipping. And so I said, well, let's definitely get there. I mean, it's such a fantastic deal anyway. So I picked up 2 of this Ghosts and Goblins, 48 sheets. This is a mega. So again, it's going to be massive. Now, this one, the megas always have some sentiment strips. It's got some solids, and then you've got your fun pattern paper. Look how fun that is. Oh my goodness. So I am so glad that I got 2 of these because this one is such a cute collection, and I did not have this. So fun. And it repeats. It actually repeats 3 times on these. So look at the backs of these. These are, oops, went too fast, but these are super fun. Look at that. Oh man, that's going to be so fun. I cannot wait. I love crafting for Halloween. So fun. I feel like I always forget to send out the cards, but I really love doing the actual crafting for it. Okay, so that one was Ghosts and Goblins. I did pick up 2 of those. Okay, so that's that. And then the second pad that I picked up 2 of was this one. It's the Secret Garden. I maybe had seen this one, but I definitely don't have it in my stash. It is a Cartabella, which means this would be gorgeous in 12x12 version. This is a 48 sheet, of course, also. We've got solid, and these prints are super gorgeous. Super gorgeous. It's almost like the Secret Garden, like the book. It's real pretty. You've got like books and florals in butterflies, and oh, it's just so pretty. So stinking cute. So, and it repeats 3 times. So that's the thing with the megas. They will repeat 3 times, whereas the regular 6x6s will repeat 2 times. So pretty. You get solids. You do get some sentiment strips. And then it repeats. So that was the Secret Garden or Secret Garden. I did pick up 2 of those. So we'll have that one. And then the next one I picked up was this one. This one's called Mercantile. And it says crafts, sundries, treats, and home goods. And so 48 sheets. This one looks kind of like Tim Duncan. That would be my best guess, but it doesn't say. Normally it'll tell us when it is him. And it does say that it was done in 2025. So maybe it's not Tim Duncan, but I really do like Tim Duncan's style. It's kind of vintagey. And it kind of reminds me of this. But you've got your sentiments. This one is a really fun one. We've got solid papers. Look how fun that is, those colors. And then you get your actual papers. And it's real vintagey. But sometimes you want something like this. Like this would just be, like, look at this. Look how fun that is. Oh my goodness. This definitely looks like kind of Tim Duncan-y, and it repeats. And then we've got the backs. And again, this one is Cardabella. So this one, if you bought the 12 by 12, would be super luscious, I'm sure. And then it should be getting into some repeating patterns. And that was Mercantile, okay? And then I picked up, I've picked these kind of pads up before, the ones that are like Disney inspired. So this one's called Wish Upon a Star 2, and it's also 48 sheets. Let's see, we've got, oh my goodness, look at how fun those are. Those are fun. Some solids, and you've got tickets, 2x2s. Look at that. I definitely don't have this one in my stash, I don't think, because this one definitely looks different than the ones that I do have in my stash. And then it will repeat 3 times. And let's see. Oops. Look at that gorgeous plaid stripes. It is so cute. Solids, so pretty. So Wish Upon a Star 2, okay? So that's like your Disney inspired or Disney themed. Then I did go ahead and pick up this one. It's called Bunnies and Baskets. So I picked up a couple of like spring, Easter, florally kind of things in preparation for spring. This one's 48 sheets. I think it's just super pretty. This one's an Echo Park one. So I think this will be super cute. Look at the colors on that one. It just pops. And even some of these, like this is like a periwinkle, like a yellow, so pretty. Salmon color. It's so pretty. So I think this is going to be super fun to craft with. I usually try to craft at least a couple of Easter collections each year. I think it's just so fun. And this one is super stunning. So I feel like maybe I should have gotten the 12 by 12. So maybe if they have a sale at some point, I might go ahead and pick up the 12 by 12 version of this, because it does look like it's super fun. Oh my goodness, look at that plaid. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. And then you go into repeats. So we got Bunnies and Baskets. Then we have Blossoms and Bees, 48 sheets. So let's look at this one. And I think this one looks real cute too. That one actually looks very similar to that other one, but the colors are a little different. And of course the patterns are different. Look at that, that's super fun. So this will be perfect for spring. So pretty. This is very complimentary to that other one, but it is a little different. You can tell that it is a little different. Look at that plaid. Oh, I'm a sucker for a good plaid, and that one's a really cute one. Oh, that's a pretty green plaid as well. This one right here, real pretty. So that one's Blossoms and Bees. And then I did pick up a couple of baby books as well. I think I have like 3 of them. Yeah, 3. So this first one is called Baby on Board, and it's called It's a Boy. 48 sheets. Let's look at it. We got your sentiments, some solids, and then your prints. These are pretty. Look at that. We've got 3x3s. And I picked up the baby ones because there are times where, well, one, you need just a baby card or baby project, a little mini album or something. But then 2, I picked them up because some of the prints, you can use them pretty much whenever. Like some of these prints don't have to be for a baby card, you know? So, and I feel like sometimes these make really great masculine cards too, depending on what the print is, like stripes. Look at that. Like that would be a great masculine print. So I went ahead and picked that one up. That one's Baby on Board, It's a Boy. The next one is Baby on Board, It's a Girl. So we got the same version, but the girl version, 48 sheets. Let's look at this one. So you've got, it looks like very similar kind of word styles, but then with the more feminine colors. I think this is cute too. So again, I wanted to just have a couple of baby things in my stash, maybe more baby things, because I know I have some. I have a whole baby section in my stash, but I really need to start making some more cards and things out of this stuff. So pretty. Love the colors in this. This is absolutely gorgeous. So Baby on Board, It's a Girl. Okay, so then the last baby one I got was Our Baby Girl, and I just really fell in love with the colors on this one. This one's 48 sheets. Look how pretty these colors are. I love the pastels. And again, I feel like some of these prints would work relatively well for more than just like baby cards. Super cute. And then we've got the backs, especially the B side. Look at that. Like super pretty. Real pretty. And it should repeat. So it's called Our Baby Girl. And then I did pick up 2 additional ones. I've got That's My Girl and That's My Boy. So these are more, not baby, but they're more like kids. 48 sheets. So this one's the That's My Girl. And this one is stunning, let me tell you. So the colors are fun, but like, look at this. You've got art supplies. You've got girls' room rules, playroom rules, medallions, bows. It's super cutie. Ballet, super cute. So lots of really fun images, and then it will repeat. Let's look at the backs. Like a splatter. Look at those hearts. So fun. Skates, little puppies, more plaids, solids, and then it repeats again. So That's My Girl. And then of course we also have the That's My Boy. And so this is sort of the complimentary one, but in the boy version. These are both by Cardabella. Here's this one. Super cute. Love the darker colors on this one. Again, you can see where some of these would be great for masculine cards. Look at that. These would be great for masculine cards. And then it repeats. And the back side looks like this. Look at that. It's so fun. Look at that wood grain. Super fun. And then it repeats, and that's my boy. So those were the pads that I did pick up this go around. Again, it was 19 total pads, but if you kind of buy sets of 24 sheets, which is what a regular pad would be, something like this, this kind of width, then it's more like 32 pads for $55.16 with free shipping. So I thought that was pretty good, and that was including my taxes. So this was, again, Echo Park. I will try to link their website down below. I don't have an affiliate link or anything, and I don't know that they're having a sale right this second. You can check out their page, and if you do, click on the little book stack, like the 3 lines in the top left-hand corner. If you click on that book stack, it'll do a drop down, and then you can click on sale and see what's for sale. Because I think they still had a couple of deals going. They had like stamps on sale for $4 or $5, stencils on sale. They had a couple different things, so you might be able to get lucky and find a few things. But thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you are going to get ready to smash our stash in 2026. I just released a video. I'll link it at the very end, sort of doing our prep, or what I'll be using to organize for 2026's paper stash smash. So make sure you check that out if you haven't. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much, and as always, happy crafting. Thanks so much for visiting, everyone. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite paper pad of this haul. Happy crafting.